In this video I will show you how to add a photo from your computer, smartphone or tablet to one of your Pinterest boards. Open Pinterest, go to www.pinterest.com in your browser. Click on plus icon, it's in the white circle that's in the lower right corner of the Pinterest window. A pop-up menu will appear. If prompted to get the Pinterest browser button, click Not Now and then click the plus icon button again. Click on Create a Pin. Click Drag and Drop or click to upload. This section is in the left hand side of the photo upload window. Click the photo that you want to upload to Pinterest. You may first have to click the Photos folder on the left side of the window. Click Open. It's in the bottom right corner of the Pinterest window. Add a title, a description and a destination link. Select a board when prompted. Click the drop-down menu on the top right and select a board you wish to save to. If you want to add the photo to its own board, click Create Board, enter a board name, and click Create. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.